translation of geometric shapes. We're going to write the rule, how each geometric shape is translated. Write the rule to describe each transformation. So we see we have a triangle RQS. How is it translated that we formed R prime, Q prime, S prime? You can see we moved up 1, 2 units up, 2 units up. So when we move 2 units up, we can say either 2 units up or we can write in the vector form. Since it's going up and down is change in y, our x remains same and we add 2 to y. Or we can write 0, 2 because there's no change in x, so we put 0 for that, and there's a change in y which is positive 2, so we put 2. There's 3 different ways we can represent this. We have figure EFGH translated to figure E prime, F prime, G prime, and H prime. We have to find out how much is translated by. We see G is translated 1, 2 units to the left, 2 units to the left, and 1, 2, 3 units up. We can say translated two units left and 3 units up. Or we can also write it as -2 since it's going left and +3 since it's going up. Or we can say x minus 2, y plus 3. Now let's see if every point is translated 2 units left and 3 units up. So for E, we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Let's see for F. One, two, 1, 2, 3. You can see each point is translated 2 units left and 3 units up. Triangle DEF is translated and we have triangle D prime, E prime, F prime. We need to figure out how much is translated by. So let's start with E. It went right, looks like it went right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and went up 1, 2, 3. So translated, translated 4 units right and 3 units up. Or we can write as 4, 3 also can be written as x plus 4, y plus 3. We have figure IJKL translated to I prime J prime K prime L prime. We need to figure out how much is translated by. See, let's start with J. 1, 2, 3. 3 units left. 3 units left. And 1, 2 units down. So it's translated three units left and 2 units down. Or can say it's -3, -2, and it's a vector. Or we can write as x minus 3, y minus 2. We have our pre-image B, C, D, E, and our image B prime, C prime, D prime, E prime. We need to figure out how much is translated by. Let's start with D. It went 1 unit right and 1, 2, 3 units down. Translated 1 unit right and 3 units down. Or we can say 1, -3, or we can say x plus 1, y minus 3. You might have noticed I'm not doing all the points. because if you check, all the points are translated by same vector, 1, -3 in this example. So you're moving 1 unit right and 3 units down. If you want, you can check